The standoff between the city and the United Federation of Teachers is only intensifying. The mayor vowing that in-person learning will resume on September 10th as part of a hybrid model.
The educators chose the profession because they love kids and they care about kids, and they know kids are suffering right now. They need support. It cannot be done the same way remotely, even slightly.
But UFT President Michael Mulgrew told Dan on the Pix 11 Morning News educators won't go back to the classroom unless it's safe.
Is there a date you have that you would say, okay, we're not moving past this, we're going on strike?
It really depends on where the mayor's at. If he's going to insist that he wants to open every school on September 10th, then we're probably looking at September 10th.
The union wants consistent mandatory testing in schools. And while the mayor has pledged cleaning supplies, promised schools would be disinfected and a nurse in every building, there's still no mention of mandatory testing. At PS 169 in Sunset Park, Brooklyn, where there's been a spike in COVID-19 cases and an infection rate of over 5%, the school's equity team is asking for appropriate safety protocols, writing in a letter to the city that, as it stands, sending teachers and students back to our classroom while there is such a high rate of infection is putting an already vulnerable community further at risk.
We do go home and we also do have families, but it's not only teachers, it's the custodians, it's the kitchen staff, it's the school aides, it's security. There's so many people at stake here.
Our transit workers did, our first responders did, our healthcare workers did, grocery workers did, public servants show up and serve people.
And the mayor is standing firm. He says that the infection rate that they're going to be looking at is citywide, and that's 3%. It doesn't matter what the infection rate may be just right here in the neighborhood of Sunset Park. Live in Brooklyn, I'm Cristian Benavides, Pix 11 News.